In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video placeholder in Google Vids. Starting off, we'll venture into the world of Google Vids, a versatile tool that's part of the broader Google Workspace ecosystem. This platform allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on videos online. Whether you are a seasoned content creator or new to video editing, adding a video placeholder can be a crucial step in organizing your project before finalizing your content. Our journey begins by navigating to Google Vids. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Vids. Or you can quickly search for Google Vids via your search engine of choice. Once you've reached the Google Vids homepage, you'll be greeted with a vibrant interface designed to streamline your video editing and creation process. Next, you'll need to sign in to access all the features that Google Vids offers. Look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt a new page or a pop-up window asking you to choose the Google account you want to use with Google Vids. If you're already signed into your Google account on your browser, this process might be automatic. Otherwise, select the account you wish to use or sign in with your Google account credentials. With access successfully granted, it's time to immerse yourself in the creativity that Google Vids enables. Suppose you're working on a video project or presentation and you find yourself in need to add a placeholder for a video that's not yet ready or available. Google Vids conveniently allows users to insert video placeholders directly into their projects. These placeholders can be incredibly helpful for organizing your content layout, planning the flow of your presentation, or simply marking the spot for a future video. To add one, navigate to your project within Google Vids. Once you're in your project, locate the Insert button. This can usually be found in the upper toolbar. Clicking on Insert will bring down a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you'll find Video Placeholder. Selecting this option is your key to adding a structured visual marker where your video content will eventually take place. Upon clicking Video Placeholder, you'll be led to a selection screen. Here you have the flexibility to browse various placeholders based on your needs. This feature is particularly useful when you want to maintain a certain aesthetic or theme throughout your project. Take your time to explore the available placeholders. Each placeholder might convey a different vibe or style, so picking the one that best matches your project's tone and overall look is crucial. After sifting through the options and deciding on the perfect placeholder, selecting it will insert it directly into your project at your current position. You can then move or resize it according to the layout of your video or slide. Remember, this placeholder serves as a temporary visual cue. It can be easily replaced or removed once your actual video content is ready to be inserted. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on adding a video placeholder in Google Vids. Remember, the key takeaway here is not just about inserting a placeholder, but understanding how it can be strategically used to enhance the planning and execution of your video projects. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to utilize placeholders to organize your content, streamline your creative process, and ultimately bring your vision to life with precision and flair. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to explore, experiment, and most importantly have fun with your video projects in Google Vids. See you in the next video.